Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Y-Stop bed rail for toddlers, a modern and durable solution designed to keep your little ones safe and secure during sleep. This bed rail stands out with its innovative U-shaped base that provides a larger force area, ensuring it stays firmly in place on slat beds, box springs, and cribs. Crafted with skin-friendly, breathable mesh fabric, it keeps your child comfortable even in the summer heat, and the high-quality material is both tear-resistant and machine-washable for easy maintenance. The assembly is a breeze, requiring no additional tools, and its folding design allows for easy access, making it convenient for both parents and toddlers. Safety is our top priority, and this rail meets international safety standards, free from harmful substances, to support the healthy growth of your child. We stand by the quality of our product, and if you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist with a free return service. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and parenting tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.